medium saucepan, heat the milk and cream over medium heat until it begins to steam, not boil. Using a vanilla bean, split it and scrape the seeds into the milk. Then add the pot as well. In a separate bowl, whisk together the egg yolks, sugar and cornstarch until smooth and pale. Temper the eggs. Slowly pour about half the hot milk into the egg mixture while whisking constantly. This prevents the egg from scrambling. Then pour the tempered mixture back into the saucepan with the rest of the milk. Return the saucepan to medium heat. Whisk constantly until the mixture thickens and comes to a boil. Let it boil for about 1 minute while still whisking to cook out the cornstarch taste. Pastry cream into a clean bowl. Cover the plastic wrap. Press directly to the surface to prevent a skin from forming. Refrigerate until chilled, at least 2 hours.